Yo, I don't know what to open next. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess. Welcome to part 3 of unboxing all these packages over here. I'm gonna unbox this one next. This is from Elle Woods PR. A PR package. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Oh, that's interesting. Wow, that's so cool. So this is called Sith Blade of Aris, or Blade of Eris by Starla Night. Wow, look, that's such an interesting cover. This letter, oh my gosh, from Starla Night, from the author. Thank you so much for considering my sexy sci-fi romance, The Blade of Eris, Sith, for review. I believe it's Sith or Scythe. I'm gonna say Sith. There are so many wonderful books for every taste, and book reviewers like you are the key to guiding readers to their new favorites. This book is a little darker and sexier than my super light insta-love / fated mate series, but Katerin and Sith get there in the end. I hope you love it. Starla Night. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the note in there like that. Thank you, Elle Woods PR, for this book. I'm so excited to read it. I don't usually read sci-fi books, so I'm really interested what is going to happen and how this is going to play out. That's so dope. Oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next unboxing video.